What's up everyone, and welcome back to you on the Moonchart channel. I hope that you are doing very well as always, because yes, this is important, and today we're going to update the Bitcoin chart. But yes, first of all, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me. It helped me a lot. A lot. And yeah, if you want to subscribe to the channel, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, if you enjoy the content, do not hesitate. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications if you want to get noticed, and if you want to join a cool Discord server, okay, the Mooncharts community Discord server, you can just by clicking the link in the description. We did some crazy gains today with VIPs, okay, like for example 800% on Matic, you know, like 200% on Bitcoin. That was I didn't update the trade here, but you are in crazy gains that are just insane, absolutely insane, but really crazy. So yeah, today we're going to update Bitcoin. So that's the kernel chart, okay, so we just feel along on the bottom here and around there with VIP. That's just crazy. So yeah, today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, okay. So we saw in the last update, you know, that we will possibly already inside this wave 5 just right there, okay, so I'm going to place it like that, okay, the wave 5 here. We're going to talk about, first of all, I think smaller waves, okay, but the most important thing are the bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, wave 5 targets, okay, most common one to see where we can start on this wave to the upside, okay, and what will be, I mean, that will be after this, of course, a wave 1, 2, okay. Watch my video before to know in what we are. I mean, we are in a wave 1, 2 after this, after we finish this wave 5, okay. We are in a bigger wave 1, 2 before, of course, also. But yeah, you just have to watch my previous video for this, okay. I'm not going to, for example, I'm not going to add all the development inside, you know, it's not really useful. You're gonna get too much thing on the chart right now. But yeah, here we just did some crazy trade with VIP onto Discord server. For real, this is just absolutely insane. But anyway, so here what we can see right now on the chart, we can see some nice impulsive to the upside just right there. So I'm going to change the side by the way of this. Going to change that directly with this. Here we go. So here we was possibly in a triangle that I told you, running triangle, possibly in a flat, but the retracement 113 is not really a retracement for a flat, so that's why I told you I would like to see the 123 perfectly rejected after this. We didn't do that, we just went higher, so I told you, so we was possibly inside these 5 ways, and we are in these 5 ways, okay, so this is just really cool, okay, here. Now if we check at the RSI, okay, so I'm gonna go on the 30 minutes here. Yeah, it's gonna be better. So how can you read 5 waves on the RSI? Okay, so a wave 1 is like that, okay, so wave 1, as you can see here on the chart, just right there. The wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 beginning here, okay, so that's cool, okay, we didn't broken that. The wave 3 is always the highest reach on the RSI. The wave 4 don't break the wave 2 and can go between the wave 1 and the wave 2, okay, and the wave 5 is always lower than the wave 3 top, okay. So really pay attention to this. This is how we can read some 5 waves on the RSI, impulsive wave of course, and the wave 5 most of the time gonna be higher on the chart and not on the RSI, okay, because we have to get this divergence to reach 5 waves on the RSI, okay. So here, as you can see, for now it's just absolutely perfect. We have 5 waves and this is just absolutely insane, okay. So now let's see targets, okay, targets on this wave 3, okay. So to find the wave 3 targets, you just have to fill your extension tool from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1 and then to the bottom of the wave 2, okay. As you can see, we did absolutely a perfect 161.8 touch and down after this, so retracement after this, okay. By the way, it's not right, place it here. Then we just have to find the wave 5 target, we just have to drag the third click on the wave 4 bottom, okay. So here, as you can see, going to change the template as mine, or it's gonna be better for you to see that, I think. So here, as you can see, I move with the extension tool, perfect. So on the wave 4 bottom here, first target, first possible start is a 61.8. that's what we saw yesterday, okay. So but I told you, this is not really common to stop here, and by the way, that will do a double top. So yesterday it was not a double top because it was a bit higher, but here, as you can see, double top, and this is not really common at all to stop here. Then we have the 100% most common target here. So by the way, I'm going to change the color with white, okay. It's gonna be better like that. You're gonna be able to understand better, I think. Then we have this is a most common target, okay. The 100% here is a most common target. Then we have the 161.8 just right there, okay. So this is also a possible stop, okay. The wave 5 can go here, and then we have the last possible target, okay. That is the 261.8 just right there, okay. So here we can still go here, okay. For now we are on the 100%, a bit higher, so normally the 123 is not the target, but by bigger waves we are going to see that it's possible that we stop here, okay. So small one, low opacity. We're going now to check bigger waves, okay. So the bigger waves, the bigger wave 5 just right there, okay, target here. So we are going to go on the 4 hour just right there. It's gonna be better for me to place the extension tool on the chart, so I'm going to remove this one, okay. you have on the top all the small white squares, sorry, for the small white wave 5 here, as you can see just right there, okay, for each possible stop. Now what can we see? So to find the FY5, as I said, firstly on the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1, and then to the bottom of the wave 4. Okay, so here as you can see, the 61.8 is the most common target. As I told you, this is not common to stop here. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of this. Gonna be the same color on the wave. First possible stop here, double top, not common at all to do. The most the most common target is the 100%. As you can see, where we are right now is the 100%, and as you can see, it matches perfectly with the 100% of this wave 5, or this smaller wave 5. So maybe this is the most possible stop. So maybe we're going to see a bigger wave 2 after this, because yes, we have a bigger wave 2 after this. Okay. So yeah, for now, if we go higher than this, okay, the 100%, the 161.8, sorry, is the next target. So I'm going to move it on the right, okay. The 161 point is the next target, so we can go higher, okay, and reach this level. For example, it will match with the last possible stop of the smaller wave 5 here, okay. Then we have, should we go higher? Okay, we have the 261.8 just right there, okay. That is clearly possible to go there, okay. Also, it will do a all-time high pump and dump, okay, clearly, okay. But yeah, for now, okay, so you have every possible stop of this wave to the upside, okay. You know where we can start, okay. You know where we can start right now, okay. So I'm going to remove this extension tool, okay, and say, okay, we are on the most common target. We can, I mean, we can still go higher, as I told you, okay. There is some targets higher here, but with the RSI we can read already some 5 waves, so maybe we're going to stop here, okay. But we can still go higher, okay. Keep in mind this. So we can place, for now, okay, we can still go high, as I said. We can place for now the top of the wave 1 of this bigger wave 1 on the top, just right there we have done, okay. Maybe we're going to go a bit higher, extra, but you just have to play after this your extension tool, right, extra, so that's not a problem, okay. Just to show you in case we stop here, okay. In case we stop here, do not be surprised if we do a big down after this, because this is just absolutely normal. We are, as you know it, in a bigger wave 3, okay, the yellow one. To do this bigger wave 3, we have to get some bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, okay. So this is just absolutely normal, and with only this smaller wave, this small blue wave here, we should not reach the top here, except if we do an extension, crazy extension inside the wave 5. That would be actually absolutely crazy, and it's not really common to do that, okay. But everything is possible, okay. And if we do a big pump right now, we should be in an extended wave 5, okay. If we go really high after this, we should be in an extended wave 5, okay. But for now, let's say we place with most common possible waves, okay. So we have to do a bigger wave 1, so that will be a bigger wave 1, okay. The small the 5 waves here, so a bigger wave 1. Now after this, a bigger wave 2. Bigger wave 2, as always, a wave 2 have more chance to retrace 50, 61.8, okay. The most possible start is between the 50 and the 61.8 retracement, so from the top to the bottom, if you want to fill your extension tool, except if you didn't have reversed your tool. I reversed it, sorry, because it's more logic. It go in the same trend on the market, that's why I reversed my tool. First possible stop, if we are super bullish, it's gonna be on the 23.6 just right there, okay. But yeah, wrong case, okay. Okay, we're gonna play with statistics once again. Then we have the 38.2. It's also super bullish if we stop on this level, but yeah, we're gonna play with statistics, so we have more chance to stop between the 50 and 61.8, okay. Between, so for now we don't know yet, because we're not in the correction, okay. We have to be inside the correction to try to determine the possible bottom here, okay. Should we go more down? We can go more down, okay. We just have more chance to stop between the 50 and 61.8. We can retrace 90%, for example. It's clearly possible that we go there, okay. That's clearly possible here. But yeah, with statistics we have more chance to stop between the 50 and 61 points. So we're gonna take the case that we go to the 61 point for now, okay, and we're gonna see which price we can expect after this, okay. So from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1 to the bottom of the wave 2 to find the wave 3, okay. We can expect a price minimum on the 161.8 here, so it will match more with the 200% to reach the wave the wave 3 top, the big wave 3 top for now. But we are not in yet, so we cannot really say, okay, it's gonna be here, it's gonna be on the 161.8. Maybe we're going to do a big wave 3 to the 423.6. We don't know yet, okay. We don't know yet, we are not in. But for now, with most common target, okay, I'm gonna play with most common target, it will be like that, okay. So 161.8, then a 38.2 retracement, so 100% of the extension tool, okay. If you start on the 161.8, quick tip. And then on the 100% of the wave 5, that is the 200% of the wave 3. If you start on the wave 3 to the 161 point, as you can see, if I drag it like that, 100% is the 200% of the wave 3, okay. So these are waves we can expect, okay. But yes, the 161, oh no, that by the way, that will be the 261 point here. But yeah, that what we can expect with these waves after. Of course, it's gonna change if we go lower, okay, on the wave 2. If we stop before, if we stop higher here, for example, so 161 point gonna be higher. But yeah, for now, with most common target and with statistics, we can say that we're gonna do these waves, okay. So yeah, I think now you know everything on the Bitcoin chart right now, okay. I don't say that we have done the top yet, okay. We are on the most common target for wave 5, so we can dump from here. That I will not be surprised at all, okay. But pay attention to smaller waves, okay. Really pay attention to this, really important. Moreover, this, if you go inside this wave 5, the white one here, okay. So I'm going to small y and gonna change the side of this. Pay attention, okay. Wave 5 here, the white one just right there. Have one, by the way, let's move it, okay. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can read that on the side too, as you can see. So we are close to the top normally, okay. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, highest reach on the other side. Wave 4 that don't break the wave 2 bottom, so that's pretty cool. And the wave 5 lower sorry than the wave 3 top, and higher on the chart. We have 5 waves done, okay, for now. So that we can dump from here. We can absolutely dump from here, okay. It's not a problem at all, and do not be surprised if we go down from here, okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this update. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the content, as always, do not hesitate to smash the like button. This is really very important for me. It helped me a lot, and this is really good for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, and don't forget to turn on notifications if you want to get noticed for my future videos. And yes, don't forget to join also the Discord server if you want to try the VIP roles. There is a 2-day free trial on this, so it's more active on the week, not on the weekend, because I'm not trading on the weekend, okay. Except some weekends, but really important weekends, but normally not, okay. So if you want to try the free trial, sorry, you can just on the Monday, for example, or during the week, okay, but not really on the weekend, okay. So yeah, see you soon, maybe on the Discord server, and if not, see you in the next update. See you.